How to download and install Canva on your Windows device. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download and install Canva on your Windows device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your web browser. After you open it up, simply search for Canva download. After you search for that, it will take you to this page where you can download Canva for desktop. So simply open this up, head over to its website here, and there you'll see download Canva for Windows. Now make sure that your Windows is 10 or later and tap on this download option and the download should begin. Depending on your internet speed, the download can take some quite a time. And while this gets downloaded, you can simply head down below and hit the subscribe button. After this downloads, you can simply open it up and set it up yourself. And that's basically how you do this. Thanks for watching, guys. That is how you download Canva. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.